मैं भविष्यवालिका है क्या, आप थोड़ा सा एक बार व्यूअर्स को ये भी एक बार अच्छे से बताइए.
See, after studying, so I did computer science and I did finance, MBA, banking, दुनिया भर में घूम के, Harvard, Wharton. The big thing that I realized is that people are not, things that will keep bothering you is India अब तो सोने की चिड़िया था. सोने की चिड़िया था तो, why are we here now? And then I've showed you the map, that's the illustration that is there in the book, book 2. We realized that the amount of wealth that India had, America is still not as rich as India was at that time. It's pre-industrialization. So if you think that industrialization created all these things, clearly not. So karte finally and this is something that was deep down in me in any case. मुझे ज्योतिष में बहुत interest था पहले से. Because it is, you can't be, मतलब ऐसा होता है कि आप इंडिया में
मैं ज्योतिष से दूर भागा हूं हमेशा से. तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मैं पूछूंगा आपसे.
आप पत्थर भी फेंकोगे ना इंडिया में, किसी के ज्योतिष के ऊपर ही लगेगा.
अच्छा.
एवरीबॉडी नोज ज्योतिष. आप रेलवे स्टेशन पे जाओगे, आधी किताबें आपको ज्योतिष पे मिलेंगी, बट मिलती थी. अब तो मैं खैर बड़े समय से गया नहीं हूँ.
सर एक, सॉरी इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ. ज्योतिष की मेरी एक जो बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये बनी थी, इट इज अबाउट प्रेडिक्टिंग द एक्लिप्सेस एंड वो सोलर एंड लोनर एक्लिप्सेस करेक्टली. और वो तो अब सबको ही कर पाते, क्योंकि इतना सोफिस्टिकेटेड एक सिस्टम बना के दिया हमारे पुरखों ने, जो विक्रम संवत है, कि मेरी माता जी भी वो कर पाती है. इसलिए आप शायद वो कह रहे हैं कि एक पत्थर भी तो ज्योतिष
पे लगे. हाँ, बिकॉज़ एवरीबॉडी नोज.
हाँ,
ज्योतिष इज फंडामेंटली अ स्टडी ऑफ टाइम. ओके, ज्योतिष विज्ञान है ना. जो किस चीज पे ज्योतिष कर रहे हो आप, ज्योति जला रहे हो ना किसी चीज पे. अगेन, so 15th century is when the clocks are invented. That's when colonization began.
Right.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु उस समय उड़ीसा में थे. अच्छा. चैतन्य महाप्रभु के 5 शिष्य हैं. उनमें से एक है अच्युतानंद महाराज. तो when I started studying Jyotish and wanted to study, I ended up at in this parampara. मैंने सोचा नहीं था, but this is how things are controlled. आपकी deep एक वो है, the desire to learn. I ended up at Pandit Sanjay Rath's feet. Met him, my life changed because Achyutananda Parampara is where it starts. Achyutananda Maharaj is the one who wrote Bhavishyamalika. To call this a mythical text is abject stupidity. You don't understand something. मतलब again the same thing ना, 4/2 is 2, so dy by dx is y by x.
लोग तो ये भी कहते हैं कि it's a later interpolation और वो सब.
Nothing. It is giving a cyclical prediction. See, everything is cyclical. Everything is, you have to understand. मैं आपको बोलता हूँ यार, मैंने ना एक गाड़ी ली है and it's giving me 60 kilometers to a liter. The basic assumption is you have 2 or 4 people in the car. The road is straight. आप नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे पे जा रहे हो 60-70 kilometers per hour. That's it. अब रोड ऊबड़ खाबड़ है and you're going on the hills of गढ़वाल और 10 लोग बैठे हुए गाड़ी में. Average will change. That's what cyclical prediction is, no? Depending on what you, because you have a free will. At the end of the day, you also have a free will. Your arms and the limbs are controlling something, and that's free will. When is Bhavishyamalika written? In the 15th century. Not earlier than that. Not later than that. It's like after the, because he could see, he like, yaar, ye to ye kar rahe hain. Given this, things will start changing. So there are stark predictions in this, which absolutely blew my mind. Of course, there are many things. Bhavishyamalika is one thing. Yaar, aap Nadi Jyotish dekho. There are so many things that you're not aware of. India is a land, it's like a gold, diamond, whatever mine that you call it. It's like filled with wisdom.
Right.
They looted gold and diamonds.
Couldn't loot the wisdom.
Couldn't understand the wisdom to loot it. But so it fundamentally tells you about ki Narendra is the second last samrat of this yuga. Okay. Before the Yuga Parivartana. Then it talks about Pakistan being a defunct state. Then it talks about 2020. जैसे आएगा बीसा, न रहेगा ईसा, न रहेगा मूसा. That whole war is what is happening in Europe right now.
अच्छा, ये
तो हिमालय पे तो बहुत popular saying है. अच्छा. But what are the Muslims are fighting in Europe for? Like they're basically fighting for the loot because they believe that the loot should have been given back to them, not to the Hindus. But Churchill at that time says, a Muslim, while a Brahmin sharpens his argument, a Muslim sharpens his sword. That's fundamentally what's coming back to bite them. आज जो भी कोई यूरोप में, यूके में जो कंप्लेंट कर रहा है, it's fundamentally that.
No, we have seen that yesterday, Australia में क्या हुआ.
Exactly. So I'm not disputing or I'm not celebrating. I'm just saying, look, this is what it is. It's just factual. This is what is coming down. तो अगर आप वो समझ जाओगे, भविष्यमालिका has literally documented that. He's saying 2025 onwards there'll be this particular war. That's what's happening right now. He says 13 Islamic nations will be with one China and they'll get together and do this in India. That's happening right in front of you.
That is the part that I have read actually. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा जो मैंने पढ़ा है वही उसका section पढ़ा है. So that's relevant today.
So it's cyclical. Now if you preempt that, then you change it. No, I mean you're suddenly seeing that there's a car coming and you head on collide with it. You suddenly swerve, or because you know if you brake, you'll still go and hit it because after skidding, so you swerve and you take a risk. आपने किया वो, आप बच गए. So the power of the narrative is as strong as the people driving it, and as knowledgeable as the people driving it. अगर आपको knowledge है ही नहीं, तो आप बदलोगे कैसे? And that knowledge is of Kala. समय का ज्ञान है तो आप सब कुछ बदल दोगे. समय का ज्ञान नहीं, आप कुछ नहीं बदल पाओगे.
So there is a prediction in Bhavishyamalika that Pakistan will be finished or something like that.
Yeah.
Please tell me about that and then we'll end this.
Again, people are thinking that finishing off means मतलब people will die. This will. अरे that will get converted ना. Acquisition of companies क्या होता है? यही तो होता है ना. Microsoft didn't become this biggest company because Bill Gates was there building it brick by brick. They started doing it. Was at one point Microsoft and Cisco were known to be the well-oiled acquisition machines. All they did was they had like a quick target here. ये M&A team है, and I was a part of that M&A team, so I know that the target is within 6 months they will sell this company's product under our names.
अच्छा.
So what happening? अब अगर इंडिया की लीडरशिप वीक होगी, तो पाकिस्तान लोग यार हम तो नहीं कोई बोल रहे कि हम कुरान लाए, हम हदीस लाए, हमने ईद बनानी शुरू करी. It is them who's saying. Romila Thapar is claiming. Somebody else is claiming कि रक्षाबंधन का प्रथा हम लाए. कहाँ से लाए भाई? आप उनसे पूछो हमारे जो त्योहार हैं, अगर कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी आप लाए तो आप कौन से नक्षत्र मनाते हो, कौन सी तिथि को मनाते हो, तो नहीं पता. They are only trying to appropriate because they are like यार what do we do? हम तो wipe out हो जाएंगे. So this whole unrest is because they have the fear of getting wiped out, and they will because they have to succumb to it. No? Saudi Arabia has dropped their Hijri calendar. Right. People don't understand what is the consequence of that. The consequence is there is no identity left. इंडिया में जब ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर इम्पोज भी किया गया, हम तो अभी भी विक्रम संवत ही फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तभी भी कर रहे थे. हमारे विक्रम संवत को कुछ नहीं. आपकी पूरी इकोनॉमी, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी इज रनिंग ऑन विक्रम संवत विदाउट यू नोइंग और नॉट नोइंग इट. द होल क्रॉप साइकिल्स आर रनिंग ऑन विक्रम संवत.
राइट, दे आर. हां, वो तो है.
आप क्रिसमस पे मार्केटिंग करते हो, दिवाली पे आपको मार्केटिंग करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
आज आप बकरीद की इकोनॉमी को कंपेयर कर रहे हो कि दिवाली की इकोनॉमी से कम. बकरीद में आप बकरियों को काट रहे हो, यू डिडंट ग्रो देम. दिवाली पे द इकोनॉमी विल बूम नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू. तो विक्रम संवत पे चल रही है ना. इट्स वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स लाइक यार मैं ना सूर्य पे चल रहा हूँ, आप बोले कहाँ चल रहा हूँ यार, सूर्य उधर रखना है यार. अरे यार सूर्य उग रहा है, उसी की वजह से आप कर रहे हो. तो जब आप वो समझ जाते हो तो भविष्यमालिका प्रेडिक्शन स्टार्ट मेकिंग सेंस बिकॉज इट्स सिक्लिकली टॉकिंग कि ये इस समय तक चलता है, उसके बाद एक ढहेगा ही ढहेगा. So that is the time, and even by Islamic scriptures themselves, they're like it's supposed to be for 1,000 years. So it's been dead for some time. People are thinking that no, Islam is already dead. It's just that they're trying to now take control of things, but for what? Saudi Arabia has got the Hijri calendar. I have not. They themselves, they're like, no, for religious purposes we'll do this. What do you mean for religious purposes? Yeah? I mean, you can't have my actual father who gives me expenses for education is this. The real father is this. Then you're abusing yourself. It can't be that, ना. तो हमारे यहाँ हम इंडिया में अगर ये कहते हैं ना, हम दिवाली आज से 25 दिसंबर को, then I'll say India is dead. No. Vikram Samvat is always alive, is alive, will be alive. So कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप. तो भविष्यमालिका is running in that. It is telling you about this particular thing that it will get subdued this way. वो हो रहा है पाकिस्तान में.